Today we will make a basket, and for this we will make 3D origami open base. We will connect three rows with 15 pieces. Each row 15 pieces. Like this. I glue all the pieces, 15 pieces in the first row, 14 in the second and 13 in the third row. Now close the circle and complete with one piece in the second row and two pieces in the third row. Now wait few minutes to glue to dry. Next we will push like this. And then turn over the base. Now this base is inverted. Inverted means this round part inside. Next we will put light blue pieces, inverted pieces like this. Inverted means this round part inside. Glue very well each and every row. Like this. Put another 4 rows, total 5 light blue rows. I glue all these 5 light blue rows like this. Next we will double the number of pieces to 15 to 30 pieces, and for this we will put normal piece in every edge. Put a piece in every edge like this. One pocket free. Like this. Put a piece in every edge like this. Complete the row. I glue all these pieces, 30 pieces in this last row. Next we will put another one normal row 30 pieces like this. Complete the row. Next, we will put two red pieces, normal pieces like this, then three light blue pieces, then two red, three light blue, like this. Again two red and three light blue, complete this pattern. Next row we will put one red, one yellow, one red, one light blue, another one light blue, one red, one yellow, one red and two light blue. Complete this pattern like this. Next row we will put two red pieces like this and three light blue pieces, again two red, three light blue pieces, again two red, three light blue, complete this pattern. Next row we put normal blue pieces, thirty pieces like this, and complete this row and put another one normal row, 30 pieces like this. Complete these two rows. I glue two rows, 30 pieces, two normal rows, and we complete the body of our basket. Next, we will make handle for our basket. For handle, glue pieces like this, two light blue, one dark blue, again two light blue, one dark blue, two light blue, one dark blue. Repeat this pattern until we have 14 dark blue pieces. I already glue 14 dark blue pieces and make a nice curve for the handle and glue here and here like this, and our basket is finished.